day in store for you, starting with me, and ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Belgium with Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, hungry for adventure. That night, Clank came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued an defective warlock, and the rest is eternal black history.
I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route. Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots! For smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... oh, Dr. Nefarious.
Ha! No way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Watch out for swashbuckling in the water! Robobots! Attack! Oh, really brings you back to the old days, don't it? Our hero's vanquished is the enemy! Now, we must cross the dangerous white road.
More goons incoming.
Dropship and end this!
story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh, pal, What? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.